Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Silver Monkey Silent Mouse and I'm going to tell you how you can easily set up this mouse with your Windows PC or laptop. So, at first we have to remove this plastic thingy over here, this plastic cover, with holding our finger on it and moving it to our side. Now as you can see we have empty slot for the battery and our USB Type-A dongle. The first thing we can do is remove the USB Type-A dongle and let me place this somewhere. Now we have to take the battery, which is AA battery, and we have to take the mouse and the battery like that. The plus is towards us and the minus is towards the front of the mouse. Now we have to insert the battery here and move it here. As you can see now our mouse is turned on, and now we can close our cover. Now we can place our mouse like that, and here as you can see I have a laptop with the USB Type-A port here. Now we can bring our USB dongle, which is 2.4 GHz dongle, and we can plug this dongle straight into our USB Type-A port, like that. Now our mouse will be working. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!